वेलकम टू द CEO लिव्स। मैं हूं निहारिका और मैं आप सबसे बात करने आई हूं अबाउट मी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट I am here to be a real influencer, right? Because what that means is that I want to show you that how we can influence each other with actually being real, with not being filterized, with not being low. Though I am using a little filter because I was not in a mood to use any cream or anything. So yeah, you can take that. But other than that, it's like you need not to be perfect to be on YouTube or any other platform like Instagram or anything. For that, I just wanted to motivate you people, and I want you to know that everyone is beautiful no matter what. So cutting that short, as of now, let me tell you about myself. I am a writer, I'm an entrepreneur. Along with that, now I am working as an influencer too. I want to be a real influencer, hashtag the real influencer. So yeah, with that I want to tell people about their reality, about who the real influencers are, who is actually an influencer too. It could be the person who's working at your home, it could be your car driver, it could be anyone that can be a real influencer. So I am no celebrity or nothing, I'm just sharing my life to you because I think that way I'll feel more connected to people, because that's my hobby actually. I love talking to people, I love talking to random people actually, because that's what stories are, that's where rawness is. So when you talk to unknown people and when you find out different things about different people, that's very interesting, right? Also, I want to tell you, I want to begin this journey with about my weight loss journey, right? Because I see a lot of people fight thyroid, many other issues, and they have PCOS, PCOD, and due to that they have not in their best shape. By best shape I mean, I'm not body shaming anyone, but what we are comfortable in, that's the best shape. If you are comfortable in size 0, you are that's your best shape. If you're comfortable size 40, that's your best shape. For me, I was not this at this particular size, because I was always a lean person, and that was actually it's affecting my mental strength, because I was not this person, and I don't actually recognize this, because I was a dancer, I used to play, I used to just run around, and all this weight has given me that I couldn't do all these things. It was difficult for me, so I decided to lose this weight. So I want to take you with my journey on weight loss, and if you are interested, do let me know in the comment section that you want to know my journey. For your help, I just want to tell you that right now I am 84 point something, and before this, like before the lockdown begins, like in March, I was 92 kgs. So I am transiting from 92 to 85, 92 to 85, and maybe beyond, because I'm still practicing and still working out and dieting actually. So I just want to share my journey. If you're interested in that, do let me know, and let's talk about it. So if you want to know a real influencer and what goes in their life, do like, share, and subscribe to this channel, because that's where everything is gonna be. And also you can check my Instagram with the same name, the CEO lives, and just get along and let's know each other, because ultimately the real influencer is one who connects with you, who knows you, and that's I would just want to be. Thank you, bye bye.